Hey guys, by the time you see this video, this cape will be up on the channel. I did it with all authentic gear from around the 1870s, as much as I could. Check it out, let me know what you think. And if you like it, I'd like to do more in the future. I want to go and see how the frontiersmen of long ago did it. And it's teaching me lessons as experienced as I am. Let me know what you think, guys. It was a lot of fun.